Okay, today we're doing a Dustpan Transfer Swipe with a Scary Skewer. I'm using this little 8-inch panel board to do my swipe on, and then I will transfer that over with a mini dustpan. So I'm putting my colors down. I use a phthalo turquoise. And this one here is Lagoon by TLP. This is Liquitex Quinacridone Magenta. And then I use a Pepio yellow green, green yellow. I can't remember which one it is. And then a black cell activator. And I'm going to give it a swipe. And then we'll transfer that over. And welcome to the tag team collaboration. Happy Monday, everyone. So glad to have you all here. I actually really had a lot of fun with this one. Just playing with the transfer. These cells are so pretty too. It was like hard to not just spin that out. And see what that gave me. And there's the little mini dustpan. So now there's my canvas, and we're going to start transferring that swipe. Oh, and there's that tip. Never forget that tip I gave you a while ago. Always put some paint on your dustpan first. And that helps that paint that you're scooping up slide onto your dustpan way easier. Just really makes it slide on there. And whether you're using a dustpan or just a whatever you're scooping it up with, if you put a little bit of paint on there, it just really helps it glide better. So, alright, I'll just let you watch as I play with this painting. And if you're new here, thanks for being here. And if you need the recipe I use, I'll put a link to that video in my description. And I'll let you watch me play. Using that dustpan is so much fun. And, you know, I found that if you use that Scary Skewer and you just play, that you can end up with some really cute things. Just go for it. Let it go. Have fun. And, you know, I really am getting over my fear of the skewer. Finally. But I'm always going to call it the Scary Skewer. Because that's what I named it. By the way, if you missed my beautiful friends, August Acrylic Art was up first. Then Creations with Tanya. Two wonderful artists, and you have to check them out. And their links will also be in my description down below. And let's just play with this Scary Skewer.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows. And we're all going life, still nobody knows. But I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.